Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on X, formerly known as Twitter, that allows you to enable photo tag notifications on your PC. Let's get started with the steps to ensure you never miss a moment when someone tags you in a photo. First, open your X account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left menu and click on More. This will expand a menu with several options. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Here, you'll find all the settings you need to customize your experience on X. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for Notifications and click on it. Now, you are going to see a section called Preferences. Go ahead and click on Push Notifications. This area will allow you to manage how you receive notifications for mentions and replies. Under the Mentions and Replies section, be sure to check the box that says From Anyone. This setting ensures that you receive notifications for every photo tag, not just from your followers. Finally, don't forget to click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page to keep your new settings. And that's it. You are now all set to receive notifications whenever someone tags you in a photo on X. Enjoy connecting with your friends and sharing memories.